Hello! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 745 and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image as a watch face on this watch. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to download and install application called Connect IQ Store on our phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the App Store. Oh, of course, before that, you need to make sure that you have the Bluetooth and internet connection on your phone. Once you enable Bluetooth and you have the internet connection, you can open the App Store. I'm using the Google Play Store because I'm using the Android device, but if you're using iPhone, you can open the App Store and you will see this application, or rather, you will find the application there. So open the App Store, tap on search, type in Connect IQ. Oh, my bad. IQ, and tap on the search. You should see this application, Connect IQ Store by Garmin. Install this application. And while the application is installing, I'm gonna just download some picture we can use as a watch face. So I'm gonna open the browser, open a new page, or rather new tab. Type something like maybe images. Let's say this one. Let's download the image. This. Okay. Let's check the progression of our application. It's still installing. And after the application is done installing, we can open it by tapping on the open button. Once the application opens, you can tap on the welcome button. Here you can tap on continue or select switch accounts to use different account if you want to. I'm just gonna tap on continue, check the box, tap on next, allow the permission, and after the IQ Store loads, you can tap on the face it icon, tap on this plus button right here, and we can select camera or gallery. If you select camera option, it will open the camera app. You can take a picture and use it as a watch face. If you select gallery, it will open the photos application or file manager, and you can select the photo or image from your phone. I'm gonna select the gallery option. As you can see, it opened the photos app and we can browse through different photos. I'm just gonna select the one I downloaded and we can use this picture as a watch face. Here we can crop the image. So basically, if the image is too big to fit on the watch face, you can move around, you can zoom in and zoom out, and basically whatever is gonna be in this clear area is gonna be on our watch face. So once you crop the image, select the part of the image you want to use as a watch face, you can change the clock type right here at the bottom, like that. Once you select the clock type, you can tap on this icon right here, and here we can change the color of the accent, so the minutes and the day of the date rather, my bad. And then we can tap right on the third option right here and select the type of text or font for the clock. And once you're done, you can tap on the done button and you can name the watch face and tap on save. And here we have our custom watch face. And to apply it on our watch, you need to tap on the install button and install it basically on your watch. Tap on OK, and let's wait. And after the watch face is done installing, you will see it applied on your watch. And at this point, you can simply close the application like this. And that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.